Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making, Rasta Pasta. We're making shrimp and chicken Rasta Pasta. So we have our shrimp and we have our chicken. I've already cleaned our shrimp and chicken. Here's our vitamin content. And put a little olive oil on it so our seasoning could coat. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of Montreal chicken roasted garlic herb seasoning here, and just a little bit because I'm gonna come with the real flavor of the jerk seasoning. A little bit of my jerk seasoning on my shrimp and some of my chicken here. This is the mild, but it still has a kick to it. This is delicious, and I am actually just gonna put like a little goes a long way. This much on my shrimp, less probably. This is probably just a teaspoon on my chicken, maybe teaspoon and a half will do. And I'm gonna season up, mix it all up on my shrimp, and then refrigerate it for about 2 hours. The other hand, I'm now going to mix the chicken. When it cooks up, all that flavor that's married in here. Gonna refrigerate this as well. And here are a list of ingredients. So we have our shrimp here, and we have our chicken breast that I've already cut up into slices. And so we have our bell peppers here, and we have our cheese. We have a little bit of mozzarella and some Kobe. And we also have some Parmesan grated as well as shaved. And we have our Montreal chicken seasoning for our chicken, of course. And we have some parsley, some butter, some white wine, heavy cream, and carnation milk. And of course, olive oil. And what dish would not be complete without some little greenery of scallions? So I am pouring our wine on our chicken. And I'm just gonna let that simmer up and cook in that little wine that we have, that little white wine. I'm just putting a little bit of the dry jerk seasoning on it. So I just couldn't resist and had to put more of the wet jerk seasoning. And I added my garlic. So now I have my onion, my garlic, my red and green and yellow bell peppers done. I'm adding a little bit of wine to this so I can deglaze this. Milk as well, and we are going to allow this to thicken. I'm gonna get ready now to add some of our, this is our mozzarella, so it's a good subtle mild cheese. Now Kobe here, so I'm lowering my heat because I don't want my cheese sauce to burn. And so we are mixing that sauce, making sure every piece of this pasta is covered in here with our jerk sauce. Okay. Sure. See our yellow peppers, our green peppers, our red peppers, our shrimp, our chicken. Here we go. Here is our Rasta Pasta. I did take some of the wet seasoning and melted some butter. Spread it on here, and I'm actually gonna put a little bit of the dry seasoning on top of it and just bake it. Bake it on 375 for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven. So here we have our Rasta Pasta with our shrimp and chicken. So this is our shrimp and chicken, or our chicken and shrimp, however you want to say it, Rasta Pasta. And our bread is jerk seasoning. seasoning bread. Well, look at our beautiful Rasta Pasta and our jerk seasoning bread. So let's dig in. So I'm gonna go in for our shrimp first. Oh my gosh. So many different flavors going on here. If you've ever smelled jerk seasoning, you know that aroma. Now imagine tasting that. And taste my chicken. I'm telling you guys, you gotta make this. This is a dancing moment. Wow. Oh. What a beautiful marriage. I promise you, you will enjoy this. It's the first time I'm making this one. Hear that crunch? Oh, wow. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. If you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, subscribe. What are you waiting for? The main thing I ask you to do is to also share this channel. Not just like, but to share our channel with your family and friends so they can see all the great things that you're learning too. If you comment, because we do answer, I'll know you tried something new or you did this and how it turned out for you. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.